Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I got Sista Chic Lacquer, Slip a Sable Under the Tree, and Santa Baby. I'm going to do some stamping. I've started off with Nailtiques Formula 2, and here is Sista Chic, Slip a Sable Under the Tree. Such a beautiful polish. Nice dark chocolate brown. So, as usual, this one right here has an amazing formula. It's just going on so perfectly. And I love the shade. It's so funny. Years and years and years ago, I would have never pictured wearing a polish like this. And now, this is the kind of polish I'm just drawn to. Hi Woody, how you doing? So we're going to go in with a second coat of Slip a Sable Under the Tree. Now this easily could have been a one-coater, but I don't really do very thick coats. Sometimes they're a little thicker than others. And now we're going to get into this Santa Baby by Sista Chic Lacquer. Oh, look at this. I was so excited to try this combination suggested by Miss Debbie, and I was not disappointed. This is fantastic. I am in love. Love, love, love toppers like this. Now, Santa Baby can be built up on its own, but today I'm just doing one coat over some of the nails to get that, that topper-licious look. But I didn't want to do it on all the nails because I still wanted to be able to, eyeball that Slip a Sable Under the Tree. Oh my goodness. So I am going to top those with some Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat as well as the other nails. So then we can get ready to do some playing. Just got to do something with these accent nails. Kept in my fridge here. So far, I am in love with this manicure. Look at this after I put the top coat on it. It's just like, I don't even know what it's like. It's beautiful. So there it is on its own. Before I do my stamping, I'll be using the Trend Hunter collection plate from MoYou London. What number is that? It's the 02. And I'll be using Shut Out by Braves Diva and a couple of stampers from Conad and my beauty, script card. So I am cleaning that plate off with pure acetone. And I'm going to plop another one of these out here onto my stamper. So I'm going to have two. And then I'm going to do some advanced stamping. And I'm going to use Santa Baby. Imagine that. Now it doesn't show up just great. But some of that chocolate brown's still going to peek through that plaid image. And I just figured this would draw all of the nails together into one cohesive manicure. And just, that, and I just keep seeing this plate with the plaid and the flowers, and I just had to use it. Just had to. Had to break it out and play. I'm so happy I did. Now, this is not one of those manicures that has a ton of contrast, but that's okay. I totally enjoyed it. Loved looking down at my nails and seeing this manicure. Got that little pop under those flowers going. Made me happy. So I will leave a link for Sista Chic down below. And that way, if you're interested, you can go check this out. But I am going to fill in both of these. Now, I did speed this one up because I was like, they already seem, fill in one. So I did speed this part of it up. Very spidery, robotic, I don't know, funny movement when you crank them up a little fast. But I just wanted to show I did fill them both in. Did. I did it. Running out of polish. Gonna have to put some more on the mat. Get back to the filling it in. Dun, 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 dun. There we go. Love it. I was really excited about this. So today I'm using Get a Grip from Vibrant Vinyls. I'm going to apply that to a nail, and while it's tacky, I'm going to apply that decal, because I did let it dry pretty good. I didn't want to mess my decal up. Now that that's dry, I'm going to, not dry, but, you know, a little dry. Yes, we've got some plaid and some flowers going on. And here we go with that Get a Grip again. You could use anything. You don't even have to use a sticky base coat. You could use a top coat. Just don't let it dry all the way. Do it while it's tacky. I used to use that Miracle Nail or Super Dry from the Dollar Tree all the time. So there we go. Get back in frame, girl. Show that manicure. I do clean off what's left from my decals off onto my lint roller like I do when I'm regular stamping. I'm going to go in with this little cuticle tool and kind of cut away. And I promise y'all, I'm not cutting this hard. But I would much rather use this than some little handy dandy scissors or go total acetone on this. This just works out so much better. I'm really more like breaking it off of the nail than cutting, really. I'm not getting all crazy and cutting myself. I do like this little tool for that. I'm going to go in and tidy up with some acetone and my cleanup brush. Get that all straightened up a little bit. Because y'all, once I do that last top coat, that's when I'm done, you know. I do go in underneath. I always go in underneath and get that extra blob. I cannot have that blob under my nail. Can't. It makes me wicked crazy. I always feel like I've got nasty junk under my nails, and I can't deal with that. So I'm tapping across the end. That's how I make sure the end is cleaned up and not going to have anything pokey. I will be using the smudge-free top coat from Maniology today over these decals. Now you can see those flowers. They do bling, but from a distance they're not all that noticeable. You don't really know what they are. But you can tell up close that they're very blingy. They do pop, that is for sure. And hi Woody, he visited us again. He snuck in there like James Bond or something and did his work and snuck right back out. So once that is completely dry, I will be topping this with some of the Pure Ice Girl on the Run. And this one will be finished. Gotta cap that free edge though. And I really did enjoy this one. Love the color combo. Totally in love. So there is some Mani in motion. Excuse all the boo-boos around my cuticles. And my swatch photo. So I hope you like this one. Leave me a comment. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.